Squirrels.
Yeah, squirrels. These squirrels are specially trained to get the nuts out of shells.
Why use squirrels? Why not use impalombas?
Because only squirrels can get the whole walnut out almost every single time. You see how they tap each one with their little knuckles to make sure it's not bad? Oh, look, look. I think that one's got a bad nut.
Daddy, I want a squirrel. Get me one of those squirrels. I want one.
Veruca, dear, you have many marvelous pets.
All I've got at home is 1 pony and 2 dogs and 4 cats and 6 bunny rabbits and 2 parakeets and 3 canaries and a green parrot and a turtle and a silly old hamster. I want a squirrel!
All right, Pet. Daddy will get you a squirrel just as soon as he possibly can.